Hello dear Gemini, very good afternoon to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 11th of June till 20th of June. Okay, so I'll tap into your partner's energy, your current energy, their current energy, what they feel for you, what you feel for them, what they want from you and what you want from them and what to expect from your person till 20th of June. So let's start. Your partner's current energy, Gemini, right now is your partner's current energy right now. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Nine of Wands. So I feel like Gemini, your partner is deeply hurt, deeply hurt, and they're emotionally off, acting cold and detached, and they are feeling like they are standing their own ground. Although they are deeply hurt, although they are feeling like there's some kind of walls they have created for themselves in front of them, but they're still hopeful that everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be fine soon. So they are deeply hurt by something, and they are trying to come out of this situation. They are trying to seek out the balance in their life. This is what they are trying to do right now. This is their current energy. Let's clarify why they are having this energy right now. Let's clarify. Queen of Cups, the Death, and the High Priestess. Okay, so I feel like your partner wanted to have emotional stability in their life, and there was something that broke up. Might be you guys broke up in the past, and there was something that didn't worked out in this connection or in their life in general, and they're transforming. They are transforming into a different person after all this drama, after all this conflicts, and after all this bullshit that happened in the past. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, Gemini, and they're trying to listen to their intuition. The High Priestess is also here. So I feel like this person too wants to have emotional stability. They had lots of emotions. They were carrying lots of emotions for this particular connection or for you in general, and they have transformed completely because of this connection was not working out, or you guys broke up, or something happened that transformed them into a new person. And then the High Priestess is there, so they're trying to listen to their intuition. They're just trying to listen to their gut. Whatever their intuition is telling them, they're just trying to follow that. For the time being right now, they are detached and cold and acting weird, very weird with you or with everybody around them. Yeah, this is their current energy. Let's see, Gemini, your current energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Gemini. Ten of Swords. So I feel like you are feeling like backstabbed or betrayed by this particular person. You could be dealing with air sign, Gemini or Libra or Sagittarius. I feel like them. That's also an air sign. I don't know, but yes, Gemini or Libra. You could be dealing with that. So right now, your current energy is that you are feeling betrayed, backstabbed by somebody, or you are feeling like, okay, although I'm betrayed, although I'm feeling like backstabbed, but the worst is over now. That the worst that could happen is totally done now. Now I'm over this energy. Now I'm over this energy. Yeah. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords in your current energy, Gemini. Nine of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and the Strength. You could be dealing with the Leo. So I feel like you are very anxious. You are very anxious. You are very stressed about this connection. You were not being able to sleep. You were not able to feel any kind of emotion because you were deeply stressed. You were deeply anxious about something in your life because you were carrying lots of emotions and lots of emotions for lots of love for this particular connection. But you are trying to hold back. This is what you're doing right now. This is your current energy. So I feel like you are very stressed. You are very anxious. You are not being able to sleep because you carry a lot of love, lot of emotions for somebody. And but you are trying to hold back. You are trying to be courageous. You are trying to tame your inner lion, and you are trying to be as much far away, as much distant from this connection as you can. This is what your current energy right now is, Gemini. Let's see what this person feels for you. Their feelings for you, Gemini. Let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see. Two of Pentacles. This person is very confused. This person is very confused about this connection. This is their feelings for you. Confusing feelings for you. Okay, might be sometimes they are feeling like they have lots of love for you. Might be sometimes they are feeling like I don't give a shit to this particular Gemini. Or I feel like they are dealing with might be two people at the same time, and they are not able to decide which one is the right person for them. Let's clarify. Clarification is very important. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles in what they feel for you. Judgment, the Five of Pentacles, and the Moon. So I feel like they are confused whether to start this connection all over again or not, whether to forgive you or whether to be forgiven by you or not. So I feel like this person wants to seek for forgiveness from you. They want to, say sorry to you and start this connection all over again. And they're very very confused whether you are going to say forgive them or not. So, and they feel like you left them in the cold in the past, or something was not working out in this connection in the past, and they still carry this fear with them. You could be dealing with a Cancer. So I feel like this person still carries lots of fear regarding this particular connection, and they are very very confused whether to approach you or not, whether to come towards you or not, because they are feeling the same cycle will repeat itself again, and you are not going to forgive them, and you are going to leave them in the cold, and you are going to make them feel cold and detached from you. Okay, you are going to leave them hanging on the wall or something like that. This is what they feel for you. Let's see what you feel for them, Gemini. Your feelings for this particular person. Let's see, Gemini. Queen of Pentacles. So I feel like you feel like this person is a stable person financially as okay. So I feel like you are having these kind of feelings for this person, that this person is stable financially, this person is very mature, and this person carries lots of lots of practicality in their life, lots of groundedness in their life. I feel like you feel like this person is a very very grounded person. This person is very down to earth and practical and stable. These are your feelings for them. Strange. Let's clarify. After the clarification, I'll give you the honest feelings, what you feel for that. Let's see. Justice, Three of Cups, and the Two of Swords. Okay. So, Gemini, I feel like you are feeling like there should be reconciliation in this connection. Or it could also mean that you are feeling like there should be justice. You could be dealing with the Libra. Justice is the card of Libra. So I feel like you are feeling like there should be justice in this connection. There was something that was not happening, that was not good, or that was not working out in this connection, and you were looking for justice in this connection. You want the universe would the, just give me a second. So I feel like you feel like there should be justice in this connection. The universe should serve justice to this emotion that you carried for this particular person, or that they did something wrong with you. Might be there was a third party situation, and you want you want a justice to serve from the universe, and you want this connection. Okay, I feel like this person was more attracted to the third party, and that's why you felt like left out, and that's why you took a step back, and you felt like the universe will serve justice. And right now you are emotionally closed off, emotionally totally closed off. You are closing off your emotions, and you are on the crossroads whether to give this person another chance or not, whether this person is right for you or not. So I feel like now I feel like the feelings for this person from your side is that you want to care for yourself. You want to take care of your love, of your heart, of your emotions, of your own money, of your own happiness, because you feel like they did some kind of injustice with you in the past. They chose the other party over you, and that is why right now you're on the crossroads. Right now that is why you are feeling like you are emotionally off towards this particular person. Yes, this is what your feelings for this person are. Let's see what they want from you, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Death. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. This person wants you to change yourself completely. They want a rebirth from you. This is what they want from you. Okay, this is what they are looking in you. So I feel like this person wants you to change your perspective towards them, or change yourself completely for them, because they don't like your behavior, or might be they were not liking your nature, or there was something that they didn't like in you, and they want to change that particular something completely for them. Let's clarify the Death card in what they want. Let's clarify. Three of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. So I feel like this person wants you to put in the effort, put in the energy, and go towards them and rush into this connection and start this connection as fast as possible, and to come out of this mental state of conflict. Okay, this is what they want from you. They want a clarity from your side. They want you to put in the effort, put in the energy from your side, and they want you to rush into this connection. They want you to hurry. They want you to hurry up, and they want you to come out of this conflicted situation, this ego battles that you guys were having in the past, and they want to change yourself completely for them. This is what they want from you. Let's see what you want from this connection or from this particular person, Gemini. Let's see. Six of Wands. Okay, you want victory in this connection. You want success in this connection. You want to feel wanted in this connection. This is what you want. You want to, if you want, you are feeling like if you want this connection back in your life, there should be complete recognition that you are also a part of this connection. You also hold the same equal respect, equal honor from their side as well, because equality is what you want. Equality is what you are seeking for from this connection. So you want victory, you want recognition from this particular person in your life, from this particular connection. Let's clarify further. You want the passion to be ignited again in this connection, and you want victory, you want success, you want equal give and take in this connection. Let's clarify. Seven of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. So you are trying to stand your ground. You want them to recognize you as some kind of mini celebrity or something very very important to them. This is what you want from them, because you feel like this person is acting very very defensive. They are trying to hold back, and they should have a brand new start. They should come up with a new offer towards you. This is what you want from them. This person, so you want, what you want from this person is that you want them to leave this defensiveness, act a little mature, act a little emotional towards you, and don't hide their emotions for you. Whatever they are hiding from you, they you just want to you just want them to come out to you and tell them exactly what they are feeling for you, and to have a brand new start in this connection from their side. So you want them to offer you some kind of connection or some kind of relationship offer or some kind of friendship offer. This is what you want from them. Let's see what to expect from this person, Gemini, till 20th of June. Let's see what to expect from this person. Oh, cards are whatever. Let's see what to expect from this person till 20th of June. Four of Cups, restlessness, dissatisfaction. So I feel like this person is not coming towards you, Gemini, till the 20th of June, because this person is very restless and they are very bored and dissatisfied with their life. They are lacking interest in everything and everybody right now. This is what is happening, okay? So this person right now is in depression, and this is what you can expect from this. Silence. Silent treatment, emotionally off, emotionally cold and detached from you. So I feel like if you are going to talk to them, they are going to mask their feelings for you, and they are going to might be act weird and detached from you. This is what you can expect from this person. Let's clarify. Give me 1 second. Let's clarify the Four of Cups further. The Lovers, the Hierophant, and the Fool. Oops. So I feel like this person deep down wants to have a connection with you. They want to get married to you. They want to have a long-term commitment with you, and they want to start their life all over again with you. These are all three major Arcana cards, and these are life lessons. They can't be changed. So basically, this person is in depression right now, but deep down their energy is of loving you, having a brand new connection with you, having a a love affair, a long-term commitment relationship with you, or either marriage for you, with you, and they want to start their life all over again with you. So they want to, okay, yes, they want to have a brand new life, brand new connection with you again. So I feel like this person right now is dissatisfied or losing interest, because deep down their feelings are of that whosoever is coming next in their life, they should be deeply in love with them, and they should carry the potential of a long-term committed relationship or of marriage, and then they will have a brand new start in their life. Then they will seek then they will take the leap of faith, the faith with that particular person. This is what to expect from this person. So I feel like this person is dissatisfied, bored and depressed right now. And 20th till 20th of June, I don't feel like this person is coming towards you, because right now they're very confused, because they are feeling like whomsoever they are going to connect with next, they should get married to them, or at least they should have a long term committed relationship with them. Only then they will be able to take the leap of faith with that particular person. Yeah. So I feel like this person is not coming back towards you till the 20th of June, because they are very confused and depressed and sad about something. Might be lonely, might be about this particular connection only. Yeah. Thank you so much, Gemini, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. I feel like this reading will give you some kind of insight to move forward in your life. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.